In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Google Slides presentation from landscape to portrait. So basically turning it from horizontal like this to vertical. To do that, go to File, click Page Setup, and then here you will see that the default setting is going to be widescreen 16:9. If you want to change that, you just need to click the setting and click Custom. And then here I'm going to change the measurement from centimeters to pixels because I'm much more familiar with that measurement type. And then here you'll see that the width is 960 and the height is 540. And if you want to make it to be portrait, then you just need to flip the number. So I'm going to enter 540 here and 960 pixels here on the height. So let's click apply and see what's going to happen. You'll see that the image, or basically a lot of contents are going to be stretched, especially the image, and after that you have to make some adjustment to that content. But it's usually not going to be a big of a deal, especially if you don't have too many slides. But if you do, then this process is going to take quite some time. And I think one alternative is just by dial down the number. So let me undo the action again. If I put a number that is much more moderate, I think the result is not going to be as significant. So if I switch the number to, let's say, 540 by, let's say, 720, it's still portrait, but it's still wide enough, and maybe some content doesn't have to be recalibrated for that new slide size. So it's quite annoying, but that's just the side effect of changing the slide size in Google Slides, and pretty much any other presentation app going to have this side effect. So that's one thing to keep in mind. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.